Hello friends, welcome to my 90s on YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about WhatsApp's top 8 text formatting tricks that you need to know. Want to make your WhatsApp messages stand out? In this video, I will show you the top 8 text formatting tricks on WhatsApp, including bold, italics, strike through and more. Stay tuned to learn how to style your messages like a pro. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first we learn italic format. You can italic your text on WhatsApp. Let's learn how to do this. Open your WhatsApp chat and first type underscore. You can see the underscore on your mobile symbols tab. After you can type your text. Now I type my channel name 90zone. After the end, again you want to type underscore. Now I type underscore. Now you can see our text is going to italic. Now you can send your text. In this method you can italic any text on WhatsApp. You want to type underscore before the text and after the text. Next one is, let's learn how to bold your text. Open your chat and you want to type star mark. Now I type star mark. After you can type your text. Now I type my channel name 90zone. After end of the text you want to type star mark again. Now you can see our text is going to bold. Now you can send your text. Next one is strike through format. Open your chat and go to symbols on your keyboard. Type wave icon. You can see wave icon in here. Now you can type your text. After the text, you want to again type the wave icon. You can see the strike through mode is activated. Now you can send your text. Next one is mono space format. You want to type 3 backticks before the text. Go to your keypad symbols area. In here you can see this backtick option. You want to type this backtick symbol in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After you can type your text. After the text you want to type again 3 times on backtick. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see the mono space apply to our text. Now you can send it. Next one is bullet list option. You can add bullets on your text very easily. It has 2 options. You can use star icon to make bullets or hyphen dash icon to make this bullet list. Let's learn the first method. Go to your keypad symbols area and type here star mark and press space key. Now you can see the bullet is appear. Now you can type your text. Now I type my channel name. After you can press your enter key on your keyboard. Now you can see the bullet is automatically appear on our next area. Now you can type your another text like this. Again I press enter key. After you can send your text like this. Now I will tell you hyphen method. Go to your keypad symbols area. After you can type this hyphen icon, dash icon. After you can press space key on your keyboard. Now you can see the bullet is appear. Now you can type your text. Again I type my channel name like this. After press your enter key. In this method, you can make bullet list using your WhatsApp chat easily. Okay, now let's learn how to add number list format. If you want large number list like bullets, we can add number list using this WhatsApp. First, you want to type your number. Now I type number 1. After, press dot icon and you can press the space key on your keyboard. Okay, now you can type your text as you like. Now I type my channel name 90 zone. After, press enter key. Now you can see number 2 appear. Again I press enter key, number 3 appear. In this method you can create number list on WhatsApp text. Now I can send this number list. Next one is quote format. If you like to add quote to your text, let's learn how to do this. Go to your keypad symbols area. After, you can type angle bracket symbol. I type it. After, press space on your keyboard. Now you can type your text. Now I type my channel name. You can see the quote was appear. Now you can send your text. This is quote format. The last one is inline code format. Go to your keypad symbols area and you want to type backtick before the text. Now I type backtick. After, you can type your text. After your text, again you want to type backtick like this. Now you can see the inline code was appear to our WhatsApp text. Now you can send this message. These are the top 8 WhatsApp text formatting features. Now you can install your messages and send it like a pro. And that's it. Now you know the top 8 WhatsApp text formatting tricks to make your messages stand out. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.